How to change home screen layout on Android device. So if you want to change your home screen layout, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you've opened your settings, now you need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of lock screen or home screen, right? Tap on that option, and then here you will have home settings. Tap on home settings, and here you will have your home screen settings. To change your home screen layout, what you need to do is here you will have your home screen layout option on the second or your third. Tap on that, and here you will have your layout option. So you need to simply choose 4:6 or 5:6, any one that you are comfortable with. So if you choose the 4:6, then you will have this kind of interface, or if you choose the 5:6, then you will have this kind of interface. So you need to simply choose any one of the options that you're comfortable with, and once you've chosen, you need to tap on apply, which is on the bottom right, and now that has been applied, and that's it. That's how you can change your home screen layout on your Android device. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. Or Vivo, Oppo, or anything, like any Android device, if you want to restart your Android device, then what you need to do is just simply open up your Android device, and you need to simply scroll down, or like this, you need to simply go for the upper side. And here on the bottom right of your screen, you will have a power off option. You can tap on the power off or the power option, and here you will have these four kind of options. So you will have this option on every Android device on the upper side of your screen. So you need to simply tap on the power, and then here you will have emergency, lock now, power off, or restart. So if you want to restart your Android device, simply tap on restart, and then your Android device will start to reset. So that's it. That's how you can restart. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.